Hello friends, Sheila here, Homeworker Models and Trolley Builders, Coffee and Construction in Arcadia, episode 45. Oh, we've had some amazing progress on this project. I'm so excited to share it with you. Decorative light fixtures have started to go in. So that light fixture there is where their dining table is going to be. We had that custom adjusted by Circa Lighting so that we can put it over the dining table. We've got some pendants that'll go in over the island, but for now we've just got that dining table fixture waiting on a glass globe that broke too. Remodeling. Over here we've got some beautiful sconces on this fireplace just to add some extra love to the space. And then, oh, this beautiful fan. Oh, isn't she gorgeous? Oh, does such a nice job about moving air around this space. So I've got a couple other areas to show you. Here we are in the master bedroom closet. Look at that beautiful chandelier. Okay, so this is a ceiling hugger, and what you can see, look at those beautiful crystal baubles hanging down from that. Oh, that light. But look at how pretty that light fixture is. She's gonna be gorgeous. Okay, turn that off so it quits flashing at us. But isn't that just amazing? Oh, over here, master bedroom, gorgeous ceiling fan. We spread out some can lights in here to give some good ambient lighting to the space so that we just cover it. Very, very nice. Master bathroom chandelier. There she is, another beautiful chandelier with the crystal baubles hanging down from it. Light fixtures at the vanity are waiting on the mirrors because they're actually going to go through the mirrors. So I'll be right back in another space. Oh. So now here we are in the front room. So we got a nice tight ceiling hugger decorative fixture for this living room with its lower ceilings. And then we walk back here into these bedrooms where we can find their beautiful fans. Oh, nice fan in there also. Oh, they're so pretty. So, so pretty. And then a surprise, we carpeted this bedroom floor. So the carpet's been installed. It looks gorgeous with our paint colors, gorgeous with our wood floors. And then it's got a beautiful fan in it also. It's so exciting. This project is coming along so amazingly. Okay, let me back you out of this space. We've almost got this bathroom done. You can see our tiles done. We're waiting on the decorative light fixture here, but we've got all this work accomplished in these spaces. Just amazing. Amazing. Our AC closet. Oh, so nice. So, so nice to have that in the center of the house. So, as you can see, we're moving right along here. And, oh, look at that kitchen coming along. We got the countertops in. We got the beautiful faucets in. The sink is ready to go. Oh, they've been using it just to run water through it, make sure everything's working. Our bar sink faucets in also. Look at how wonderful this island is going to be for serving from. Just incredible. Just amazing. Okay. So for Coffee and Construction in Arcadia, episode 44. Thank you, friends, being on this journey with us. We're so grateful that you're here. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.